So this is the second part, cryptographic solution. So start. Introduction. Welcome to the Cryptographic Solutions Practice Lab. In this module, you will be provided with the instructions and devices needed to develop your hands-on skills. Cryptographic provides the tools and techniques necessary to ensure the confidentiality, integrity, authenticity, and availability of data in the network. It forms the backbone of cybersecurity strategies, enabling safe and secure communication, transactions, and data management. Two prominent cryptographic solutions used throughout the network are digital signatures and certificates. In this module, you will explore how to create a digital signature and certificate signing request manually. So, learning outcomes. In this module, you will complete the following exercise. Exercise 1, create and modify a digital signature. And exercise 2, create and approves a certificate signing request. After completing this module, you should be able to create a private and public key pair, create a digital signature, receive and verify a digital signature, observe a signature verification failure, create a certificate signing request or CSR, and lastly, receive and approve a CSR as a certificate authority or CA. So exam objective, the following exam objectives are covered in this module. Explain the importance of using appropriate cryptographic solutions. Public key infrastructures or PKI, encryption, hashing, digital signature, certificates. Lab duration, it will take approximately 1 hour to complete this lab. So click next. Lab topology. So these are during your session, you will have access to the following lab configuration. So click next. Exercise 1. Create and verify its digital signature. A digital signature is a cryptographic solution used to verify the authenticity and integrity of digital documents, messages, or transactions. It serves a similar purpose hand to a handwritten signature on a physical document. A digital signature provides assurance that the signer's identity is legitimate and provides non-repudiation for the sender. In this exercise, you will create a digital signature and send it to Bob for verification as the user Alice. So learning outcome, after completing this exercise, you should be able to create a private and public key pair, create a digital signature, receive and verify the digital signature, and lastly, observe a signature verification failure. So your devices, so you're using these two devices. So task 1, create a private and public key pair. A public key and a private key are the fundamental components of asymmetric encryption, enabling cryptographic operations such as encryption, decryption, and digital signature. OpenSSL is an open source software library that provides cryptographic functions and tools for securing communications and data, offering features related to encryption, decryption, digital signature, and certificates. In this task, you will create a private and public key pair using OpenSSL. So step 1, connect to ACI ALMA. So click this. Then once it got open, let's just wait. It's already connecting. Hmm. So step 1, select terminal on the desktop. So terminal. So step 2, in the terminal windows, type the following and press enter. So if you want to check how it was typed, right click this picture and open image a new tab and you will get this. So step 2, type this, then once you type it in the terminal, hit enter. So it will going to show something like this. Then step 3, type what you're seeing here. So enter. Then step 4, enter. Then step 5, type that, hit enter. Then step 6. So step 6 here. So if you're not sure how it will be typed, again, right click the picture and then open image in new tab so you will see here. So open SSL Gen PK algorithm RSA dash out space Alice underscore private key dot pem. So hit enter. Then note, this OpenSSL command creates a private key. The RSA algorithm has been specified as the name of the resulting private key file, aliceprivatekey.pem. As a reminder, in Linux, the suffix .pem does not define the file type, but is used as a convention to identify the type of file to the user. In this case, the private key is in a PEM or PEM format. So step 7, open SSL RSA dash in Alice score private key that PEM out Alice underscore private. Nope, it should be public now. Underscore public key that PEM hub out dash out form PEM. Hit enter. So step 8. This OpenSSL command creates a public key for Alice, which used the previously created private key as input. This ensures the mathematical connection between the private and public key pair. The public key that is created is also in a PEM or PM format. So keep the terminal window open in ACIA So task 2. Create a digital signature. Digital signatures are used in secure email communication, electronic contracts, online transactions, software distribution, and any situations where proving the authenticity and integrity of digital content is important. In this task, you will create a digital signature OpenSSL using OpenSSL. So to ensure you are connected to ACIM and the terminal window is open. So so step so echo this is Alice's digest Alice underscore digest dot txt. Enter. Step 2. So again type this open SSL digest dash SHA 256 sign Alice underscore private key dot hem out Alice underscore signature dot bin space Alice underscore digest dot txt. Enter. So lalabas to. No, this command creates Alice digital signature by hashing the Alice digest underscore digest txt file and encrypting the hash output with Alice underscore private key dot pem. The resulting file, the signature file, Alice signature bin, is in a binary format. So ls enter. Then step 4. You can view the folder contents and understand which files have been created so far and determine which files will be sent above signature verification. So keep the terminal open. Receive the and verify digital signature. So task 3. So step one, open the CCL terminal windows, and in terminal windows, type the following and press enter. So CP Alice underscore public key data pem Alice underscore signature that bin Alice underscore digest that txt home ECI admin slash module underscore one slash digital underscore signature slash Bob. So hit enter. So step two, cd space home slash ACI admin slash module underscore one slash digital underscore signature slash Bob. Hit enter. Then step 3, ls, enter. Note, view the folder contents to ensure the files intended to be sent to Bob has been received. So step 4, open SSL DGST space dash SHA-256 space dash space verify space alice underscore public key that pem space dash space signature space alice underscore signature that bin space alice score digest that txt. Then hit enter. So step 5. This command verifies Alice's digital signature. Alice's digital signature is decrypted with her public key to reveal her hash of the digest file. Concurrently, Bob uses the SHA-256 algorithm, the same as Alice, to hash the plain text digest file that Alice sent. The two resulting hashes are compared, and since they match, verified OK is outputted to the commanded line indicating the digital signature has been verified. So keep the terminal window open. So task 4. Observe a signature verification failure. So if the signature were not signed by signer's actual private key, if there was a change in the signer's message digest, or if the signer's public key was not authentic, the signature verification would fail, alerting the receiver of a potential compromise of the received information. In this task, you will modify the signer's message, digest, and observe a signature verification failure. So, step 1, echo this is a change to the digest alice underscore digest txt. So hit enter. Note, the digest is being intentionally changed here to cause a verification failure. So step 2, open SSL EGST dash 256 verify alice underscore public key dot pem space signature space alice underscore signature underscore bin space alice underscore digest dot txt. Enter. Step 3. As expected, a verification failure occurs when verifying the digital signature with the changed digest. So close the terminal window once finished. So next, exercise 2. Create and approve a certificate signing request. A certificate signing request or CSR is a digital signature or digital document which in this case will be generated by a fictional company called SecPlus LLC. The company creates a certificate signing request to receive a digital certificate from a certificate authority or CA. Digital certificates are used to establish the identity of an entity and enable secure communication over networks and the internet. In this exercise, you will create a certificate signing request as SEC plus LLC and then as the certificate authority approved and signed the request, providing a signed certificate back to SEC plus LLC. After completing this exercise, you should be able to create a certificate signing request or CSR, and lastly, receive and approve a CSR as a certificate authority. So you're going to use these two devices. So task 1. The opening step of obtaining a signed certificate includes generating a private and public key pair and then creating a sending a CSR to a certificate authority. In this task, you will create a CSR as the company SEC plus LLC. So connect here. So activities, then terminal. Step 2. CD space module underscore 1. Enter. Step 2. Oh, step 3. So type this MKDIR CSR CD CSR. So enter. Step 4. MKDIR SEC plus LLC and CD SEC plus LLC. Enter. And step 5, open SSL space REQ space new key RSA 2048 space key out space sec plus LLC underscore private key hem out sec plus LLC underscore CSR or dot CSR. Enter. So note, this step creates an RSA 2048-bit private key for the SEC plus LLC company. The suffix .csr indicates that the file will be the certificate signing request file. So step 6, enter the PAM pass phrase and the verifying enter PAM pass phrase prompts. So sec sec plus LLC. Enter. Sec plus LLC. Enter. So step 7, country name, US. So state or province name, Colorado. Locality name, Denver. Organization name, SEC plus LLC. Organizational unit name, admin. Common name, SEC plus student. Then email address, admin at sec plus llc.com. Enter. So note, the information entered in this step will be used by the certificate authority to conduct a domain verification. In the terminal window, press enter twice on the extra certificate attribute. If you're not sure, again, right click on the picture and then um, enter again. Oh, enter again. Then step 9, cat sec plus LLC at CSR. Enter. So notice the certificate signing request is displayed by a base64 format. So in the terminal window, type the following and press enter. So mkdir space home eci admin slash module underscore 1 slash csr slash ca and cp sec plus llc that csr home eci admin slash module underscore 1 slash csr slash c. So are we correct? enter. So step 11, this states simulates sending the certificate signing request to the certificate authority. So keep the terminal window open in ACI ALMA. So task 2, receive and approve a CSR and as a certificate authority. Upon receipt of a CSR, a certificate authority or CA will conduct a verification to ensure the authenticity and legitimacy of the entity requesting the digital certificate. The extent of the verification process depends on the type of certificate being requested. Different levels of validation, such as a domain validation and extended validation, require validation is varying degrees of scrutiny. Once validation is complete, the certificate authority will sign the CSR with their private key and return a signed certificate to the requesting entity. In this task, you will receive and approve a CSR from ESSEC plus LLC as a certificate authority. So step 1, still ACI ALMA. So on the terminal, CD, CDCA. So step 2, open SSL, turn P key, algorithm, RSA dash out, space C underscore private key that hem. Enter. A certificate authority, or again, a note, a certificate authority would already have a private key of their own for signing certificates. In this step, we are creating a key for our certificate authority or CA. In this terminal window, type the following and press enter. So open SSL, right? New key RSA 2048 nodes key out CA underscore private key dot hem x 509 dash base 1999 out sec plus LLC dot CRT. Enter. Note, once the domain validation is complete, the certificate signing request can be signed. This setup signs the certificate signing request with the CA's private key and creates a signed certificate that can be turned or returned to the SEC Plus SLC company. So step 4, country name, US, province, New York, city, organization name, cert, auth, organizational unit name, admin, email address, admin at certauth.com. Enter. So note, this information about the CA is included on the CA signed certificate. So cat sec plus LLC dot CRT. Enter. So note, the signed certificate is in a base64 format. So step 6, CP sec plus LC.CRT home ACI admin dash module underscore 1 CSR slash sec plus LLC. Hit enter. This step simulates the CA sending the signed certificate back to the sec plus company. So step 7, ls dash la home ACI admin module underscore 1 slash CSR slash sec plus LLC. Enter. So step 8. This step confirms that the signed certificate SecPlus LLC.CRT from the CA was received by SecPlus LLC. So close the terminal window. Keep all devices that you have powered on under current state and proceed the review section. So next. Review! Well done! You have completed the cryptographic solutions practice lab. As with many information technology tasks, there are automated tools that can assist and streamline the process in this lab. All tasks were completed manually using OpenSSL, and this was done intentionally to provide a full understanding of the steps involved in digital summary signatures and certificate approvals. Summary. You have completed the following exercise, which is exercise 1, which is create and verify a digital signature, and lastly, exercise 2, create and approve a certificate signing request. You should now be able to create a private and public key pair, create a digital signature, receive and verify a digital signature, observe a signature verification failure, create a certificate signing request or CSR, and lastly, receive and approve a CSR as a certificate authority or CA. So feedback, all star, submit. So done. So done. So exit. So finished.